Navigating the complexities of sourcing commercial drugs for clinical trials can be daunting. Renejix, a specialized small molecule oral dosage CDMO, offers comprehensive solutions to simplify this process for sponsors. Whether for comparators, rescue medications, or co-medications, our approach combines careful planning, diligent execution, and thorough follow-through. Choosing Renejix means partnering with a team that has global expertise in sourcing, regulatory compliance, quality assurance, and clinical packaging. We understand that sourcing involves more than just finding the right product at the right price. Our team also meticulously addresses crucial aspects such as blinding, documentation, packaging, storage, and distribution requirements. Our in-house specialists adopt a multidisciplinary approach, drawing upon extensive experience, market knowledge, deep industry connections, and clinical packaging prowess. We tailor sourcing strategies to align precisely with the specific demands of each study. The process begins with a sponsor interview and study needs assessment. We delve into the key aspects of your trial, such as dosage form, strength, study countries, and other market considerations. Starting early is our strategy to ensure your study's needs are met efficiently and cost-effectively, while minimizing sourcing-related risks. Renejix's global network of GMP-compliant clinical packaging facilities, coupled with our regionally based teams, allows us to source directly from manufacturers, qualified wholesalers, and authorized distributors. This supports your studies regardless of their geographic scope. We offer various models, including centralized global sourcing, regional and local market access, or a hybrid approach to meet your specific requirements. Whether you're in the planning stages of a future study, need immediate assistance for an active trial, or seek a comprehensive clinical supply solution, Renejix is equipped to meet all your needs. Our global scale and local expertise are at your service, making us your go-to partner for commercial drug sourcing and clinical trial supply. Renejix, your partner in global commercial drug sourcing and clinical supply management. Visit renejix.com to learn more and start your partnership with a leader in clinical supply management.